My daily work is different than pre-COVID days, for sure. Conducting human research has been suspended for months. And so I focused on reading, writing, and designing new research studies during that time. Nowadays, we are working on restarting our clinical studies. So I'm mostly working on the COVID safety plans, recruiting new participants for our study, and checking their eligibility, scheduling visits, and this kind of things. So nowadays, developments in neurotechnology and neuroscience continue at a very rapid pace, and neural engineering is fascinating, I think. My advice to the individuals interested in research in these fields is to read a lot. Reading and discussing the published research and the knowledge with their peers, their mentors, their students is quite important, I think. I will advise, think about the knowledge gaps. When you plan a research study, consider its short and long-term impacts. I mean, think about what is next when you answer your research question. The other important thing, I believe, talking with the clinicians and the patients to learn their challenges, their experiences is quite important. Besides a researcher's own curiosity, knowing the actual real-world problems is really helpful to guide the research. Of course, your own curiosity is so important. It's not have to be always to look for what is needed in research, but it's important to know the real problems. I'm a rehabilitation specialist, and I have worked as a clinician for long years. During my clinical practice, I observed the limitations of the existing treatments, especially in neurological disorders. And this challenge motivated me to focus on research in this field. So I decided to get my PhD training, which is the best way to learn the research strategies and be involved in good science. And I wanted to contribute to the well-being of my patients further. I liked working as a clinician and helping my patients, which is rewarding, but I love research work more because the possibility of pushing the boundaries and trying to find answers to the unknowns. These are more satisfying, I think. Research work is dynamic and full of surprises. I like it.